Good morning, bleh, can't even speak today. Good Monday morning to you. Hi everyone. Let's do a coloring book page. I'm ready for this. Are you ready for this? Okay, we're going to do this one called Star Purse. Can I see what I'm doing? Nope, wrong way. Wrong way. Let's zoom way in. Star Purse. If you're wondering where I get my patterns, I just go to Pinterest. These ones with the pink thing on the top came from the old Tanglepatterns.com, tangle-patterns.com website that is no longer available to be found, but you can find all sorts of images stored on Pinterest. So that's what I do. It's on a Rangoli grid, which is basically a circle with arms, right? And it shows a 6-arm grid. I'm doing an 8-arm grid. Doesn't really matter. As long as they're a nice even number, we're good to go. So the first thing we're going to do is when you make the circle and you're making your grid, you have 3 circles. One kind of a middle one, a center one, a medium one, and the outer one. So we're going to do a straight arm up that line from the center circle to the middle circle, all the way out. Okay. Then we're going to connect the bottom of this one to the top of the next one over. Okay. Makes kind of a spirally star-shaped pattern. Then going the other way, we're going to do an arm from the top of this one to up here on the outer circle. Okay? Then we just connect those outer circle lines. And that's the pattern. And then you can embellish however you decide you're going to embellish. I don't know if I want to just leave it like that for you guys, or if I want to add one extra line. That I haven't decided yet. We will get there when we get there. And then here's the artwork from this artist, which is Elena Lebec. Cute, right? And depending on how you shade it, it will look more or less foldy. But that's like one of those pop-up fold-up purses, which is kind of cool. Okay, so I've already drawn, as you can see here, maybe you can't, I've already drawn a circle grid. Let me turn on the light so you guys can see, so I can see, so we all can see. Lots of bright light. Okay, so wrong direction. Let's go the other direction. So, if you can tell, I have already drawn my lines and my circles. So, first we want to go, I need a big pen. Where did my big pen go? Why do I seem to have lost my pen again? I'm getting good at losing my pen. Why is that? I don't know. There it is. There's the pen I've been using. Okay, so from this line to that line, I want a straight line. Now my camera has something to see so it can focus better. When there's no lines on the page, it has a really hard time, or if it's just pencil, it has a hard time seeing that. Okay, there's that step. Next step is the bottom of this one to the top of that one, or top to bottom, whichever way you want to draw it. I'm going to go this way. That. Perfect. And then we go the other way, this direction. Might be easier for me to see it going the other way if I go this way. Let's try it that way. Ooh, I'm not as straight going that direction. Okay, we'll continue to go this way then. Okay, and then all the way around again from here to here, like that. Just like that. And just like that, in 7 minutes, this drawing is done. Now the question for me is, do I want to just do one embellishment? I think I do. I think I want to put this stripe about that size, I think. Something like that. I think that's what I want to do. Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. Still going to keep it simple, but I want this one embellishment. Just like that. Yep, just like that. And then you guys can do whatever you want. You can draw or color in the middle. You can make more stripes or lines. You can embellish however you want. There's a little bit of room, not much, but a little bit of room on the outside if you want to add a little something else. And that's it. A simple one today. Wow, that didn't take any time at all. Okay, let me write down the name of this. It's called Star Purse. And then on the back, I put coloring book. Coloring book page number 33. It's called Star Purse, and you're going to see this on August 17th. All right. Simple as that. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. I will see you on whatever next adventure I come across. And yeah, we'll go from there. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.